Yes, class. Today we are checking on a topic in Form 4, calculus and differentiation, and it's a topic that is mostly common in section B. We have an example here that we are going to check on very first. The function S represents a distance moved by a vehicle from point A to point B. Find the speed and the acceleration of the vehicle if it took 2 hours. So therefore, we have the function of S, which is our distance. And for us to find speed, we have to differentiate the function of distance so that we end up with the function of speed. So therefore, we are starting to differentiate this function here. We have the function 2t cubed minus 3t squared plus 4t. So our speed is equals to ds dt, which is equal to this one differentiated. We take the power, we multiply by the coefficient here, and then we reduce the power by 1. So therefore we have 2 into, not really 2, but the power we multiply by the coefficient, so we have 3 into 2t, and then the power here is now 2 because we are reducing it by 1, so it is 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus the same with this, 2 times this one, and then t, its power reduces by 1, so we have 2 into 3t, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. We cannot write 1 here, so we just leave it that way. And the same with this. T is to power 1. That is why there is no power written there. So we have 1 into 4. And then t to power 1 minus 1 is 0. And any number raised to power 0 is 1. So therefore, that remains 4 without any t there. Let us now come up with the solution to this. We have 6t squared minus 6t plus, good. So this one becomes our distance and our speed, and our speed is ds dt. We have differentiated distance with respect to time. So therefore, our speed by feeding 2 hours in this, we come up with 6 into 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus, what is this? 4 times 6 is 24 minus 6 times 2, that is 12, plus 4. What is that? Yes, that is 16. Okay? Okay? Okay. Kilometers per hour. Okay, I hope that is very clear. Let us now move to the next one, which is acceleration. Acceleration is the differentiation of speed. So if we differentiate speed, and our speed is here, we come up with our acceleration. So acceleration is d squared s all over dt squared, which is equal to, we have our distance here, our speed, I mean, which is ds dt. So by differentiating this further, we come up with d squared s dt squared. So therefore, if we differentiate this further, we come up with 6. We come up with 2, I mean, 2 into 6 times t to power 1 times t to power 1, and then minus 6, and then we have t to power 1. By differentiating that, we come up with 0 because it is t to power 1 minus 1. So that is 0, meaning we have 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. And this one here has no t. So we cannot differentiate it with respect to t because it has no t already. So this is our answer there. That is our acceleration. And we can simplify it further to come up with 2 times 6t becomes 12t minus 6. And then our t is 2, so therefore this is 24 minus 6. And we come up with 18 kilometers per hour squared. That one becomes our acceleration. It is as simple as such, and this question is mostly found in section B of our mathematics, so paper 2. So we have to be very keen when handling such questions because mostly candidates forget to know which power to put where and also how to reciprocate the figures that are given to represent time here and there. So we just need to get very keen always. Thank you for watching.